Today I'm going to show you how to use Padlet for education, brainstorming, greetings, trip planning, whatever you need to express and organize your thoughts. Padlet is based on a wall concept. Your wall holds your ideas. Each idea is called a post. And if you'd like, you can attach a variety of web links, multimedia, or files to each post. Friends and co-workers can access and contribute to your wall when you share the wall's link with them. I recommend that you watch this demo first and then start building your own wall. You can split the screen so you can watch this demonstration and have your wall on one side and this video on the other if you want to follow along. Just start and stop the video as you need to. For those more adventurous, just open Padlet and start creating. So let's go to the Padlet homepage. It's located at padlet.com. We'll start to build a wall in a minute, but first let's look at the options at the bottom of the page. You have Why Padlet, which describes the functionality of the tool. You have the gallery, which you can browse through and see what other people have done with Padlet. It's a great place to find ideas. And also you can learn more information about the Chrome application and WordPress plugin goodies for Padlet. Before we start building our wall, let's log in and get an account. We just enter our email address, a password, and click Login. This brings us back to the Padlet homepage, so now we'll click Build a Wall. Your wall displays as a blank canvas that you can customize, add information, and share with others by clicking on these icons here on the right. Let's go ahead and double-click to start our first post. I'll give it the name of Padlet Demo. And I will just add a little bit of text here. We are learning to use Padlet. So there we are. We've had our first post. So we can go ahead and leave this post here if we choose. We can edit it by clicking the green pencil or delete it completely using the garbage can. If we do delete it, Padlet does not save the information. The data in this particular post will be gone if you choose to delete this. So let's go ahead and I'll show you how to move the posts. We'll move this over here, and now we'll get started talking about the menu items on the right. If you click here, you will return to the home page, the Padlet home page which we just came from. The plus sign allows you to create a new wall, and if you choose to, you can create a new wall over this. Padlet auto-saves your work once you have an account. So if I click here to create a new wall, the one post that I have on this particular wall will be saved, and I will be able to come back to it at a later time. This particular icon gives you your account information. Click your account to either update your profile, change your password, or you can delete your account from here. Your walls allows you to look at a list of all of the walls that you have created. You can click to edit at any time, or you can log out of the application if you choose. The Share Export box allows you to share your wall with people at Facebook, Twitter, and a variety of social networks. You can export to a variety of files, subscribe, email, or print your wall. You can embed it in a website, use it in WordPress, or you can go ahead and use this icon and make it mobile. The next icon is merely a summation of all the information for this particular wall. We have one post, as you can see. It was created by KSH Today on May 8th, 2013. The question mark icon takes you to the help for Padlet. This is a very comprehensive help system for such a small product. It's very helpful. You can learn keyboard shortcuts, how to resize, add multimedia, just about anything you need to do you can find here. And finally, we'll click this cog to modify and customize our wall. So why don't we start by putting in a title. We'll call it Padlet Demo. As you notice, that is right here. This particular area is the equivalent of the cover of a book Inside, we'll go ahead and put how to use Padlet. And we can go ahead and associate a small portrait with this cover. We can just save things as they are or click None. You can add your own particular photo or choose from any of these along this list. We'll go ahead and choose the megaphone. So now the cover of our book has a megaphone on it with Padlet demo and how to use Padlet. So let's go ahead and select a wallpaper for our wall. Again, you can add your own, or you can choose from any of these particular designs that are located right here. We'll go ahead and choose the corkboard for this demonstration. Now we need to determine how we want our posts to be laid out. We can do them free form as we were doing just now so that we can move them wherever you'd like, organize them as you choose to, or you can choose stream, which allows the posts to be placed directly below one another. I prefer freeform because it allows you to organize your thoughts and move posts as you need to. The next tab allows you to determine how visible your wall is and to who. You can make your wall completely private. You can password protect it to visitors who have the link. Those visitors can either view the wall, they can write on the wall, or they can moderate on the wall. You determine who can do that by adding their email address right here, clicking add, and then going to give them their permissions. You can have a hidden link, or you can make your link totally public. It's up to you. At the bottom here, if you click this moderate post, this will go ahead and send you some information about the posts that people are planning to put on your wall or any modifications they are planning to make to your wall. So if you want to review those before they actually are able to do that, go ahead and click this. Now you can click Submit. The next icon is especially handy if you've chosen not to moderate before people post to your wall. Once a day you will get an email of any modifications or additions to your wall if you click this box right here. Next, we go ahead and we determine the web address. The current Padlet web address is this. You can go ahead and put this into any email, any place you would like. You can also pick a Padlet address, or you can go ahead and pick an address for a domain that you already have. And finally, you can choose to delete this wall at any time. In this case, if you do choose to delete the wall, everything will be deleted and cannot be recovered if you choose to use it later. So now let's go ahead and add another post to our wall. This time we're going to go ahead and we're going to add an image. We're going to go ahead and do that by clicking this little icon here, and as you can see, the help tells you that you can add a URL, an image, video, map, and pretty much anything you'd like, and attach it to this particular post. So let's go ahead and go up here, copy this particular URL, paste it in here, and as you'll see, a small image of this becomes available. You can click here, View Page, to review the entire page. That does take a while to process sometimes. Or if you've got the wrong image, you can click an X to completely delete it. So now that we have gone ahead and we've added an image, let's go ahead and move this particular post further over. Again, if you want to edit it, click here, or click the garbage can if you want to delete the post completely. Let's go ahead and add another post, and we're going to call this Uploading Files. You can go ahead and click this middle icon to upload a file. You just click in here. You can go ahead and find your file, open it, and now it's uploading to this particular post. And as you can see, there's the file. You go ahead and click this icon, and you can go ahead and view the entire document. You can also delete if it's the wrong document. So now that we've done that, we'll go ahead and move our post over here to do our final demonstration, which is a photo from your webcam. Using Padlet, you can go ahead and click this icon, and it will allow your webcam to be used to take a picture and use it within this particular post. I'm going to go ahead and say allow the Adobe Flash Player settings. If you don't have Adobe Flash already located on your machine, it will ask you if you want to go ahead and download it, and you can do that from there. Now I have a picture on my screen, and I'm going to go ahead and actually snap that picture and use it in this particular post. As you can see, it's there, and you can resize this image or this particular post if you need to. You can move it, and we will just bring it over this way. It's not cooperating. So now you've gone ahead and you've used a lot of the Padlet features. And the one thing that you should remember, if you do want to delete things, they are not recovered by Padlet. You will have to start from the beginning if you choose to use that material again. Also, for each one of these posts, you cannot combine an image, an uploaded file, and a photo in the same post. It's only one of the uploaded image, the uploaded files, or the webcam photo. So that's something to remember. So I hope you've enjoyed this Padlet demo and you will use this tool to create a variety of projects. Thank you for your time.